Dear friends, welcome to another video of Fathoming Mind. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the Pygmalion effect and its effect in the society. So before going to our video, just we have to understand what is the Pygmalion effect. The Pygmalion effect is understood through an experiment by a psychologist who has conducted an experiment in one of the schools in California. This psychologist has conducted an experiment in California. First, he has selected a school in California and he has conducted an in a class IQ test for the all students of the class, and he did not reveal the result of that test to anyone. Instead of that, he just told to the class, just randomly selected the 5 students of the class and he named them as intellectual bloomers, and they are known as the intellectual bloomers. He communicated to the class teacher that they are the intellectual bloomers of the class, and the class teacher also had that understanding, and he also encouraged and supported the students for the one or the complete academic year. And at the end of the year again, this same psychologist has conducted the test, and before conducting the test, he conducted the test, and from the test he got that these students have got more score than the other students, the so-called intellectual bloomers, whom he named as intellectual bloomers and communicated to class teacher. And these students, they have performed very well. So here we can see the effect of the word by the psychologist. The psychologist has told they have not scored very high in the initial test conducted by the psychologist for the particular class, but the word that they are the intellectual bloomers has influenced the students very well to increase their academic performance. So here we can see that how a particular belief system is influencing the mentality and the performance of the people. So the Pygmalion effect says that the belief system of the people can, or the understanding of the other people about a category of people can change the belief system of the people and improve the performance level of the particular category of that people. So for example, we can take the example of the politicians. If the public has got some understanding about the politicians as service minded and as well as very energetic and active and inquiring into the matters of the public, so the politicians also will try to keep up that spirit and will try to live according to that. So here this particular understanding of the society is influencing the belief system of the politicians, and it is helping them to improve their everyday performance. The same is the case with the religious leaders also. The people have got an understanding about the religious leaders as very kind, generous and very sincere and authentic and very innocent type of people. So they also try to live up to that expectations in the society, because the society has this understanding about them. So here we can see how the this particular understanding is influencing our everyday life. And in our everyday life also, our parents are the so-called society, the family members, especially the parents, have got lot of expectations about the children, and children also try to keep up to the expectations of the parents and try to live up to that. Especially it is seen in the Indian culture, as it is a family system is strong in the Indian culture. So in the society we can mainly see how the Pygmalion effect is at work in different areas. The Pygmalion effect is at work. So even when we are going for a job, entering into a particular job which may be unfamiliar to us, but the people think that this person knows something about that, so the Pygmalion effect works there. So it improves the performance, or improves my performance, and I can do a lot of things in that area. So here see, the belief system is also important. Not only we have got that particular ability to do a particular action like singing, gardening, or drawing, or anything like that. The belief system also can influence us. This belief system can be the others, what the others have about our abilities, or what we have got our abilities. So the Pygmalion system is mainly emphasizing on the understanding of the society on a people's abilities, or a particular category of people's abilities. So here in many areas we can see the Pygmalion work. Even if a person does not know about gardening or things like that, but he is compelled to do the gardening, or compelled to be work as gardener somewhere, and the people have some understanding about this person is a good gardener, he gets that label. So the person thinks that I have to perform up to the level or the expectations of the people, they whom who they consider him as a gardener. So this way, here the Pygmalion effect is working. So in everyday situations, this Pygmalion effect is at work, and it is also controlling our behavior, or the belief system. Thank you, dear friends.